right, breaking news coming in, viewers. India has defeated England in the second test match of the Tendulkar-Anderson series. India's skipper Shubman Gill led India to an emphatic victory by scoring a 250-plus score in his first innings and a 150-plus score in his second innings, ensuring that India levelled the series 1-1. Akashdeep's mastery with the ball and his 5-wicket haul have stunned England in the last inning as they defeated England in Edgbaston. That's the latest that is coming in India's victory versus England. Let me quickly go across to Karishma, my colleague. Karishma, what an absolutely stunning day for Indian cricket, as well as what a stunning series for Shubman Gill.
Well, yes, absolutely. This is a dream start for Shubman Gill's career as India's Test captain. Yes, we lost the first Test, but we have come back very, very strongly, winning the second Test at Edgbaston, and with a massive, massive margin of 336 runs as well. And remember, when this Test match started, there were a lot of questions as to how India is going to play without Jasprit Bumrah. Was it a right decision to not play Jasprit Bumrah, given he's only going to be playing to win this Test match without Jasprit Bumrah, and to see how Akashdeep has bowled, how well he has performed for Team India, taking 10 wickets in this particular match in Birmingham. It has been a very, very sets the right momentum for the remaining 3 Test matches. The third Test match, which will take place in Lords in London. Team India is going to come out all guns blazing, looking to win a first series win in England after a long, long time. So obviously, this win is going to do a world of confidence to Shubman Gill and Rishabh Pant, who are the captain and the vice captain respectively, and to the entire Indian team.
All right, there seems to be a bit of an audio issue there, Karishma. We'll try and reconnect with you, but that's the big breaking news coming in, viewers, at the moment. A good day for Indian cricket. India defeating England and levelling the series 1-1. We're getting in reactions. Listen in.
सेम वैसे ही ऋषभ पंत की भी वाइस कैप्टन अपने आप को साबित किया अपने आप को कि कैसे एक टीम के कप्तान और कप्तान खुद को आगे लाके और कैसे मतलब देश का जो युवा हैं उनका वो नेतृत्व करते हैं, उनको क्या सिखाते हैं। नो डाउट कि बहुत ही अच्छा रहा उनका, बिल्कुल। ओके, थैंक यू। मैम अभी बोलेंगे?
All right, so of course, fans, supporters, extremely happy today with the series being levelled 1-1 by India. Of course, a great day for Shubman Gill. He has really proven himself and how in this test match against England at Edgbaston, India defeating England. Karishma, my colleague, is back with us on the broadcast. Karishma, we were talking about Shubman Gill, but how can we forget Akashdeep and his mastery with the ball in this entire series?
Well, yes, absolutely. Akashdeep in just one Test match, England has made himself a force to reckon with, especially when you did not have Jasprit Bumrah playing in this particular Test match. All the pressure was on Akashdeep, or all on Siraj, and Akashdeep absorbed it so well, picking up 10 wickets in this particular Test match in Birmingham, making it very, very difficult for the Indian team management, the coach, the captain, to not play him in the tests that remain in England. So obviously, he has set the tone for the remainder of this Test series. What will be interesting to see is that the Test matches, the 2 Test matches that Jasprit Bumrah chooses to play, who will sit out? Will it be Mohammad Siraj? Will it be Prasidh Krishna? Or it is going to be someone else? But Akashdeep has made sure through this performance in Birmingham that he is here to stay, and he is going to be there as far as the Indian team in Test matches is concerned.
Right, Karishma, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Of course, all of that excitement now finally being satiated. Indian cricket fans and supporters are celebrating this victory today. India has won the second Test match against England, levelling the series 1-1.